My child, have you ever considered that the greatest superpower you possess lies within the confines of your own mind? It's a power so immense, so transformative that it can shape the course of your life, influence your health, fuel your ambitions, and even orchestrate the very circumstances you encounter. Welcome to a journey through the untapped depths of your consciousness, where we'll unveil the remarkable abilities your mind holds and how they can make or break your path to success. From a compass that guides your perspective to the electrifying connection between your thoughts and body. From the fuel that propels you into action to the alchemical process of turning obstacles into opportunities, and finally to the mystical law that governs the attraction of your dreams. Your mind is the ultimate protagonist in your story. Join us as we unlock the secrets, harness the potentials, and redefine the limits of your thinking. Prepare to be captivated, for the world you have imagined begins here, where the power of perspective sets the stage for a journey like no other. Number 1. The power of perspective. Imagine your mind as the compass guiding your journey through life. It's not the circumstances you encounter, but how you perceive and react to them that truly matters. Your thinking sets the tone for your experiences. When you choose to see challenges as opportunities for growth, setbacks as lessons, and failures as stepping stones, you unleash the incredible power of positive perspective. Your thinking can make you resilient, resourceful, and relentless in your pursuit of success. Number 2. The mind-body connection. Your thoughts aren't just confined to your mind, they have a profound impact on your body. Negative thinking can lead to stress, anxiety, and even physical health issues. On the flip side, a positive mindset can boost your immune system, increase your energy levels, and enhance your overall well-being. By choosing to think positively and maintaining a healthy mind, you can break free from the limitations that negative thinking imposes on your life. Number 3. The fuel for action. Your thoughts are the fuel for action. When you believe in your abilities and your dreams, you take inspired actions to bring them to life. Your thinking shapes your goals, and your goals drive your actions. The most successful people in the world didn't achieve their dreams by doubting themselves. They did it by believing in the power of their thoughts and turning those thoughts into relentless actions. Number 4. Overcoming obstacles. Life is full of obstacles, but it's your thinking that determines whether you see them as roadblocks or stepping stones. Challenges are not there to break you, they are there to test your resolve and push you to grow. When you approach obstacles with a positive and determined mindset, you turn adversity into opportunity. Your thinking becomes the bridge that carries you over the toughest of obstacles. Number 5. The law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. When you think positively, you attract positive people and opportunities into your life. Conversely, negative thinking can draw negativity towards you. Your thoughts radiate a powerful energy that shapes your reality. By cultivating a positive mindset and visualizing your success, you create a magnetic force that attracts the outcomes you desire. So in conclusion, just remember that your thinking can either make you or break you. It's your most powerful tool in the pursuit of your dreams. Embrace the power of a positive perspective, nurture your mind and body, use your thoughts to fuel your actions, see obstacles as stepping stones, and harness the law of attraction. With the right mindset, you have the potential to achieve greatness beyond your wildest dreams. Your thinking truly has the power to make you a force to be reckoned with in this world. Wake up,